Hi and welcome to Nature Heals Daily. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple natural ways to boost your immune system, using things you already have at home. Let's get started. Tip 1. Eat more garlic. Garlic isn't just for cooking. It has strong natural compounds that help your body fight germs. Try eating 1 clove a day, raw or lightly cooked. Tip 2. Drink warm lemon water in the morning. Lemon is full of vitamin C. It helps protect your body from infections. Mix half a lemon with warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. Tip 3. Get enough sleep. When you sleep, your body repairs and gets stronger. Try to sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Tip 4. Use ginger and turmeric. Both ginger and turmeric help reduce swelling in the body. They also help your body stay strong. Boil a few slices of ginger and a pinch of turmeric in water. Drink it as tea once a day. Tip 5. Go outside and get sunlight. Sunlight gives you vitamin D. This vitamin helps your body fight off sickness. Just 10-15 minutes of sun every day can help a lot. Your body wants to heal. Give it what it needs naturally. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Nature Heals Daily. Stay well, stay natural.